My dear Crow fam, obviously not in my office. If you can guess where I am, you're awesome. Now, the reason why I'm making this video, everybody, is because I came across an article earlier today about crypto.com, and there's a little bit of FUD, there's a little bit of news, and well, Chris, crypto.com on Twitter, they never spoken on this. Financial Times is breaking the news today. And as someone who is interested all crypto.com Cronos things, I'm like, how truth is this, right? Now, it is not an easy subject to understand. And if you already came across to this, you're probably looking for answers. And well, that is exactly why I'm making this video. Just taking a little break from this break to chill and chat with my fam because I love you, everybody. Now, what's going on? Well, it seems that internal trading teams at the company are making money by trading, right? Oh yeah, and by the way, there's a lot of noise, so I apologize for that in advance. Welcome to the city, right? The point is that it's not that crypto.com employees are making money using crypto.com. It's not easy to understand. It is that when you have a market maker, product, crypto.com, the volumes and everything, sometimes, you don't want to have manipulation of the price, manipulation of volume, right? I think everybody can understand that. Like if you have an exchange, why would you have a third party going in and manipulating the volume to make sure or to make it seem that you have more? Well, that's not what's going on. And the Financial Times does get a response from crypto.com according to the article, and I'm going to go ahead and sit down in just a second just to go over a little bit. Not in my studio, of course, so I don't have all the technology here, but the point of the story is that also Financial Times is not like the 100% truth magazine that I remember. So I'm also looking at Chris or Eric or someone to come out and speak on that, about it, maybe a reference, a reply, because they already broke the story on Twitter. And to me, guys, as a customer, as a retail customer on the app, hopefully soon on the American exchange, right, that they're trying to open, it's not open yet, doesn't really gonna bother me. I mean, just what it is. Seems that according to the article, according to what they found that crypto.com said, it's something that is not an uncommon practice. And here's the deal. The reason why it's a little tricky is because the article says that Crypto.com told some employees not to lie on that, basically to say that they're not doing it, but the article claims that they're doing it. You know what I mean? So the lie verb is here, and it just implies a little bit more of a story. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys right here. The article says, trading teams at crypto.com exchange raise conflict questions. And there's a picture of Matt Damon here. It's a long article, but basically here's what we are finding. One of the people with direct knowledge about the team said that crypto.com executives gave other external trading houses absolutely dramatic sworn statements that there's no way you involved in trading, while another said that employees were asked to say that there's no internal market maker type operations. Got it? There's of course a response on this. So crypto.com said, we have an internal market maker that operates crypto.com exchange, and the internal market maker is treated exactly as the same third party market maker that facilitates the spread and the efficient markets on our platform. So they do these things to facilitate spreads and efficient markets on their platform, right? This is not a controversial practice, crypto.com said. So again, these are interviews or emails or whatever they're getting this info from that us, the customers, we don't have, right? So I cannot come out and say that it's true or not until Chris speaks on this and gives us more clarity. In my opinion, guys, I don't think he's gonna do it. This is a topic that I don't think he's gonna be pitching in on this one. Hopefully, yes, right? But so far on Twitter, there's absolutely nothing. The company said that most of its revenues came from its app for retail traders, where Crypto.com was the customer's counterparty for transactions in which it ran as a broker model. As such, Crypto.com trading team ensures that Crypto.com is risk neutral by hedging these positions on a number of venues, including the exchange the company had, right? So its exchange is for institutional traders and operates as a level play field trading venue, the company said. So the market making desk at Crypto.com tries to boost liquidity on the venue that people added. All companies operating in this trading industry compare volumes to their competitors, right? So it's something that crypto exchanges do. Crypto.com said, adding that their priority was to continuously improve order book liquidity and lowering spreads. As a result, it's more efficient market for all participants. So it's an interesting subject, right? It does seem that they use this for more efficient spreads and market participants. The company added that participants on the platform, including market makers, are treated equally, and that the company does not rely on proprietary trading as a source of revenue. So there it is, right? So that's a point that I wanted to mention here with you, fam, because there's obviously this allegation, right, or saying, well, is Crypto.com doing, because here's a tweet from Wu Blockchain saying the Crypto.com exchange operates internal proprietary trading and market maker teams to be customers' counterparty to improve orderable liquidity and run as a broker model. So Crypto.com executives gave order external trading houses absolutely no way involved in trading. Employees were asked to say there's no internal market maker type of operation. So interesting, an interesting story for sure, that I'm pretty sure that we may or may not get a response from Chris. I honestly don't think so. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the latest that he has done, and no. Chris, the CEO of Crypto.com, barely replies or barely tweets, and I don't think this one is gonna be in the books on Twitter. And according to this one, anonymous sources claim that Crypto.com has deployed its own internal teams who are trading for company's profit. Is that legal? Is that not? Here the article says that right here that obviously U.S. regulators have begun clamping down on similar activities at other digital asset exchanges. So the SEC coming for Binance, manipulative trading that artificially inflating the platform's trading volume. So there's the thing. I'm gonna go ahead and stand up a little bit. If you're doing something illegal, manipulating the volume, probably the SEC is gonna knock at your door. But on this one, it's another piece of information that I think in due time we're gonna get more info if Crypto.com, has something to say. But definitely that article just demonstrates how it's just good to, research, do your own due diligence and ask questions. Later on, we'll see if this one was true or not, because like I said, Chris can come out and say, there's more info to know, and here's the context. Hopefully that makes sense, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Like I said, I'm relaxed and always talking crypto. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.